how to get Spotify code. So if this video have helped you, please subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon on to be updated if there are new uploads here. So let's go and I will show you how. First, we need to open up our Spotify application. And in our Spotify application, we are usually going to be directed to the home page. And we can see a few songs right here. So let us choose a song of our liking. So let me go to the search button and search for the song that I like. So just simply search the title. So I have this song already searched. Tap on it so it will be expanded to the player. Tap on the three dots above. Click on share and then copy link. After copying the link, we need to go back to our home page and go to a browser where we go to a website called Spotify Code, and in here what we need to do is to paste in the code of the copied link earlier. So if you are having problems just like this one, you may try to tap on the three dots here and go to the desktop mode. So if that doesn't work for you, go back to the mobile mode, and as you can see, it is pasted here and get Spotify code. So it will load for a while and just continue, and then after for a while you will be getting the code for the song that you have sung earlier. So thank you for watching.